Are you a fan of the show?
I like the show. I like the fact that the mother doesn't have a man in her life and she doesn't really have control of the house.
Know any pot-dealing moms?
Nah, but I knew of moms that smoke pot.
Is the weed on the show real?
No. Stunt weed.
How did your role on Weeds come about?
The people from the show Weeds have been contacting my people about me being on the show. They kind of put together a blueprint of what they see Snoop Dogg as, but I had to like sprinkle it, you know, make it what I know it should be. I'm playing Snoop Dogg, so it really is me.
Is that right?
How'd you prepare for the shoot?
I stayed up all night watching Cheech and Chong, getting my mind together.
What's the funniest weed movie ever made?
Funniest weed movie ever made? Friday.
City or suburbs?
Eastside, Long Beach City.
What was your first job?
Selling newspapers, selling subscriptions to the Press Telegram newspaper. Hi, ma'am. My name isn't all that old bullshit. You know what's up.
Does music come naturally to you?
It's more a part of my life as opposed to me trying to go make something happen. It's something that's just a part of my life.
Rap or hip-hop?
Rap or hip-hop? I say hip-hop.
How'd you get involved with acting?
I just wanted to do it and just, you know, started pursuing it as far as like taking every role that was offered to me in the beginning of my career. And a lot of times it was bad for my career, but it really helped me to realize that I really wanted to do it and I could do it. I definitely do you.
Oh, gee, thanks. How accurate are the potheads on the show?
Oh, it's real. It's a real show. That's why I'm you know, happy to be a part of it, because I feel like it really shows, you know, what's really going on.
Papers or pipe?
Blunts.
What's your favorite munchie food?
Honey barbecue, Frito-Lay's, Twist. Bet you can't just eat one bag of these motherfuckers.
Give me as many names for weed as you can.
Blue carpet treatment, purple kush, that Barney, green, some of that blueberry, raspberry, some of that Belvedere, some of that sticky, icky. Ooh, wait.
What's your number one rule for living?
My number one rule for living is, have fun at all times.